Hello guys, welcome to Task 002. Yung task natin ngayon, dito natin makikita yung tips and sa banner natin kung ano yung di-draw natin dito. So, yung training natin is mag-draw ng railway at mag-overlap. Okay? Tatlong category lang to yung nandito. Road, ito yung road, sidewalk, and railway. So, yung railway, hindi pa hindi pa pina hindi pa nare-label. So, ito yung unahin natin. So, gamit tayo ng S tool. Ito, S tool. Ganito lang mag-label. Yan. Overlap lang natin yung dito. Yan. Para then, meron tayong lagpas sa area natin. So, kailangan natin yan. Boundary clipper. Ito. Pwede itong gamitin natin or yung shortcut key na Y. So, Y. Y tool. And then, ito na. So, kailangan lang natin dito gamit tayo ng S tool, click, and cut. Or either T. Dito, pwede din yung shortcut tool na T. And cut. Ito din. T, cut. Yan. Yan. Ito, kailangan natin double category. So, paano mag-double? Click mo lang to, and then Control V, as in victory. Control V. Yan. So, dalawa na yan. Dalawang sidewalk. So, palitan natin ng isang railway. So, railway, sidewalk na siya. And then, sequence natin, kailangan natin ng yan. Click, shift click, then end. Yan. Okay. Click, shift, click, then end. Same din dito. Una, Control V, palitan natin railway. Then, click, shift, click, then end. Ito yan. Same din dito. Ayan, railway na yan. Yan, end. So, kung makikita nyo, paano mag-delete ng overlap. Makikita mo lang dito yan. Dito. Sa tag. And then, overlap. Ito yung overlap. 2. Yan. So, example, ito yung namali ka. So, ito yung overlap. Yan. And then, X mo lang. Remove. So, remove na yung overlapping. So, ganyan. Ito lang yung guys, yung task 002. Ito lang yung gagawin natin. Makikita nyo yan. Railway, sidewalk, railway, road. Kapag dalawang category yung magkaiba, kailangan yan i-overlap. or i-overpass. Okay? And pasa nyo na. Thank you.